Hello and welcome back to VersaVibe Vault, your go-to channel for empowering your financial journey. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, 5 essential money management tips for financial success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial strategies, these tips are designed to set you on the path to financial freedom. So, let's get started. First up, budgeting. It's not just about tracking expenses, it's about understanding your financial flow. Budgeting is the foundation of financial stability. It helps you make informed decisions about how to allocate your funds effectively. To start, keep a close eye on your expenses. Apps or simple spreadsheets might become your best friends here. Set realistic financial goals next. Whether it's saving up for that vacation or paying off some looming debts, clear goals can keep you motivated. And remember, always prioritize your spending. Need comes before want. Say you are earning $3,000 every month. From essential expenses, first settle money towards your goals before you spend for non-essentials. Moving on to tip 2. Save and build an emergency fund. Saving may sound elementary. However, it represents the core of financial security. Meanwhile, an emergency fund is your financial cushion for unexpected situations like a job loss or medical emergency. Think about starting small. Even 5% of your income can help. Automate the process and do not forget to make proportional savings possible. This could be a period of at least 3 to 6 months of your usual day-to-day expenses. Start with small, attainable saving goals. For instance, set a goal to save $1,000 in the next 3 months. It's all about making saving a habit, not a chore. Tip number 3 is all about debt management. It's a crucial aspect of financial health that is often overlooked or misunderstood. Managing your debts isn't just about paying them off. It's about understanding how debt works and using strategies to manage it effectively. First, know what kind of debt you have. There's good debt, like mortgages that can increase in value, and bad debt, like high-interest credit cards. Recognizing the difference is key. Also, understand the interest rates on your debts. Higher rates mean you pay more over time, so these should be targeted first. Prioritize your debts. Not all debts are equal. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, a strategy known as the debt avalanche. Alternatively, the debt snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first for psychological wins, can also be effective. Consider consolidating your debts. This means taking out a new loan at a lower interest rate to pay off multiple high-rate debts. It simplifies your payments and can save you money. Communicate with creditors. If you're struggling, talk to them. Many creditors are willing to work out payment plans or reduce interest rates for consumers who reach out for help. Managing debt is not just a financial challenge, it's a psychological one. It requires discipline and patience. So celebrate small victories when you pay off a debt. And remember, getting out of debt is a journey. Tip 4 is investing for the future. Investing isn't just a tool for the wealthy. It's a necessary strategy for anyone looking to grow their wealth over the long term. It's about making your money work for you through the power of compounding interest and market growth. Begin with understanding the basics of investing. Know the difference between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are like loans you give to a company or government, and mutual funds are a mix of various investments. Risk tolerance is key. Everyone has a different comfort level with risk. Younger investors might lean towards riskier, potentially higher return investments like stocks, while older investors may prefer the stability of bonds. Diversification is crucial. Don't put all your money in one stock or even one sector. Spread your investments across different types to balance risk and reward. Consider retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. They offer tax advantages and are a cornerstone of long-term financial planning. Real estate can also be a valuable investment. Whether it's buying property directly or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, it's another way to diversify. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many platforms allow you to invest with small amounts. The key is to start early and invest regularly. Our final tip is building multiple streams of income. In today's economy, relying solely on one income source can be risky. Diversifying your income streams can not only provide financial security, but also open up opportunities for wealth accumulation. Consider a side hustle. This could be anything from freelance work, selling products online, to offering a service based on your skills or hobbies. Passive income is another avenue. This includes rental income, dividends from stocks, or earnings from creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Equal sign investing in the stock market or real estate can also generate ongoing income through dividends or rental income. Identify your strengths and interests. Use them to find or create opportunities that can generate additional income. For example, if you're good at graphic design, consider taking freelance projects. Stay adaptable and open to learning. The more skills you acquire, the more opportunities you have to earn. As we come to the end of our journey through these 5 essential money management tips, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started with the importance of budgeting, understanding your financial flow, and making informed decisions about spending. We then moved on to the significance of saving and creating an emergency fund, emphasizing the need for financial security. Managing debt came next, where we discussed the importance of strategic planning to minimize debt's impact. Investing for the future followed, highlighting the need to make your money work for you. Lastly, we explored the concept of building multiple streams of income, stressing the importance of diversification for financial resilience. Now remember, these tips aren't just one-time actions. They are ongoing habits that you should integrate into your daily life. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards a more secure financial future. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. I encourage each of you to start applying these strategies in your life. Experiment with what works best for you, and don't be afraid to seek advice or do more research. The path to financial success is a personal journey, and you have the power to shape it. And finally, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to VersaVibe Vault. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve financial success. Join our community, and let's grow together. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay smart with your finances.